Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. Let's start our trading session. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount. Now we got $10 on the balance. All the currency pairs have been picked. We are trading on a 1 minute time frame as usual, guys. Let's also select indicators. It's gonna be the ADX, MACD, and I guess the zigzag. Zigzag is gonna show us the local highs and lows. So we will pay close attention to them. Let's configure the ADX. The moving average will be blue. The plus D is gonna be green. And the minus D will be red. So we did that just to make it more clear and avoid confusion. Let's also configure the MACD, change the periods. 6, 13 and 5. So let's apply these settings. I think they're gonna help us a lot. So we are done here. Let's get down to trading and find the most profitable currency pairs. Find a good trade entry and let's begin analyzing. We are interested in the highest payout rate. So we are looking for the better trade entry. Look at here, guys. Looks like a good trade entry. That's why we should open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. First, I want to mention that the local low was updated here. The touch of the support zone took place. We also see that the candle has a huge shadow, which is actually a bullish signals. Also, we see good volume on the MACD, and after that the reversal is expected here. By the way, we see that the ADX is in the 45 zone, which is kind of peak here, after which the reversal should follow up. I wanna demonstrate that to you guys. We can observe that right here that the ADX was at the 55 zone and went down right after. Basically, I think it was a good move to open this long position, and position has been closed with the profit, guys. Very nice. We are also trying to pick currency pairs with the highest payout rate. So let's continue analyzing. I see good trading opportunity here. Let's open a long position. I will point out the workspace. We see that there was good volume here, and look at this huge green candle. A strong player entered the market and he's not gonna give up. That's why we see this positive dynamics here, and we open the long position. It's worth mentioning that the green moving average is at the top and the ADX is near the level 30. And after this correction, we see that the positive dynamics takes over. That's why opening a long is the best option here. We should also point out the resistance zone here. The price is trying to reach it now. Meanwhile, there is a nice breakout, exactly as I predicted, guys. Really easy trade entry. And we are in profits here, guys. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing. We are interested in the highest payout rate. Let's take a look at this one. The local high has been updated, good volumes. That's why we should open a short position here. we are playing ahead of the market. We wanna catch one more correction. The updating of the local high did happen previously. There were this correction after that, and now the scenarios should play out again. So we are playing ahead of the market, and the breakdown should happen at the end. The moving average is almost at the top on the MACD, and the small correction is imminent. And basically, we see good volumes on the MACD, the crossing of the moving average and the reversal. We got at least 3 signals here, more than out, and we can already see that the breakdown is gaining momentum. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm expecting the candle to go even lower. So 5 seconds left, guys. And yes, our position has been closed in profit, guys. Absolutely nothing complicated about it, so we are updating the trade amount, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's find the most profitable payout rate and continue analyzing. We see the pullback here, and we also open a short here following the trend direction. We see the updating of the local low, and I think the price will continue going down. Almost no volumes on the MACD, which indicates that the correction should follow. And basically these are 2 main signals, guys. So if you see the downward dynamics like this, the best option would be to open a short, especially after the pullback, and this way we open the short following the trend direction. That's why I consider in the best possible option here, and I trade it like this. Is most of the case when I use these indicators, because the MACD and the ADX show us the mood of the market and the price. And basically we should open with the trend here. That's exactly what I showed you guys. Meanwhile, the position is in a profit, guys. Let's refresh the page and carry on trading. We should also pay attention to the payout rate. I wanna consider this one. So let's take a look. What do we got here? We open a short position here right away. This is a very good one because the price is in a sideways trend. That's why a good correction is required here. After this upward dynamics here, the updating of the local highs did happen here. If we look at the ADX, the moving average is at the top near the 55 zone, which indicates the reversal. Small volumes on the MACD, the moving average are facing downwards, and the green moving average on the ADX is going down, while the red one is going up. That's why opening a short is the best option here, and you can see that yourself the downward dynamics is gaining moments. The breakout has happened, and our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Very nice. Refresh the page. Let's change the trade amount and find the next currency pair, guys. Let's continue analyzing. We are looking for the highest payout rate. There's a good volume here, that's why we open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. There was the updated of the local low and touch of the support zone. The local low was updated right here. The red moving average is moving downwards on the ADX, and the green one is going up, and they crossed here, which indicates the upward dynamics will prevail here. We see good volume on the MACD, and the moving average crossed the zero line here. And basically this is a bullish signals, guys, and we already see a massive pump here. The local high is gonna be updated soon, exactly as I predicted, guys. There are around 5 seconds left before the closing, and I can assure you that this one is a profit. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing, and we've got find the better payout rate. We see a strong impulse to the downside, and we are gonna play ahead of the market. That's why we open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. So here is the touch of the support zone takes place. It looks like the double bottom pattern, after which we should expect the breakout. We also see good selling volume on the MACD. We are playing ahead of the market, after which there gonna be the reversal. The moving average has crossed here, which hints us that we are gonna expect a pullback and see some positive dynamics, and let's watch. The breakout is happening. We are expecting a good breakout by the end of the position on the last 5 seconds, guys. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's see what's gonna be happy. Yes, exactly as I predicted, our position has been closed in profits. We've seen a huge pump at the end. Nice one, guys. Let's continue making money. So let's carry on the trading session. We're interested in the highest payout rate. We open a long position here, nice trade entry, guys, because we already see a good buying volume on the ADX, the crossing of the moving average. The same goes for the MACD. All this hints us that the positive dynamics will dominate. We see the crossing of the moving average from the above. Previously here was a good correction, good selling volume, and I think that the local low was updated. At this point the price should go up with trend. That's why we open a long position here, guys. Breakout has already happened. There are 15 seconds left before the closing and let's watch, guys. And we got more than $1,000 on the balance now. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. We pick the most profitable payout rates. Let's open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. We see good volumes on the MACD. The reversal of the moving average. We also see that the red moving average is facing downwards. The green one is facing upward. We are playing ahead of the market and expected the crossing of these lines. Here we also the touch of the support zone. We see this price rebound here, and it looks like the double bottom pattern. That's why we open the long position, especially after this massive correction here. So this is the best option. I wanna say one more time, we played ahead of the market. That's why we expect the break to happen at the end of our position. There are around 5 seconds left. The breakout is happening right now. Yes, the breakout has happened, guys. I forgot to change the trade amount. Let's do that now and continue our trading session. Find another currency pair. We're looking for the best payout rate. We open a long here, guys. I will point out the workspace. We see that the upward dynamics was over at this zone. The correction is gaining moments again, and after that I am expecting to see that upward dynamics because the local high has to be updated. it didn't happen here, that's why this price should go higher. We see the same picture on the MACD, some positive dynamics, trading volume reduced a little bit, and after that buying volume should increase. That's why we open the long position here, guys, and we also expect the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. We already see the breakout. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's watch, guys, and our position has been closed in the profit, guys. We got $2,500 on the balance. Let's open final position in order to consolidate our today's gains, and let's change the currency pair. We need the most profitable payout rate as usual. Actually, let's open a long position here again. I think the upward dynamics should take place here, that's why we opened the long. We see this huge green candle and we open the long right away, because we don't even see the upward direction on the ADX. It means that the local high has to be high. Let's point out these two resistance levels. These are the nearest targets for the price. Look at this good volume on the MACD, the crossing of the zero level, a strong upward dynamics. Also the strong crossing just happened here, we expected in the last time. Now there is, that's why we open the long position. And the updating of the local high is happening. The candle shouldn't go down, the position was opened correctly. And yes, we earned profit again, guys. I don't wanna withdraw the money today. Let's just keep $4,000 on the balance for the next trading session, and we'll continue from this point. We are gonna open 1,000 position and we should make some good money. I wanna see 20,000 on the balance, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.